In this video, you will learn how to purchase your first eSIM together with a data package. Navigate to GLOBALCELL's website. Click on Packages. Choose the country you need a data package for. In this example, we chose Austria. Choose your package. In this example, we chose 1 GB for 7 days. You can then choose whether to install this on your existing eSIM or purchase a new eSIM. As a new customer, click Buy New. You can now choose the phone number for your eSIM. Click Buy. You have now been redirected to the payment page. Insert your email address once again to get your receipt. Choose your preferred payment method. In this example, we chose credit card. Here you put your card number. Here you put the expiry date. And here you put the security code. Enter the cardholder's full name. Choose the country or region the card is linked to. Finally, click here to complete your purchase. You will now see a transaction complete page. Then you will be redirected to GLOBALCELL's website with another confirmation that your transaction went through. You will then see a pop-up window with your eSIM QR code. You may now proceed to scan it using your eSIM compatible device. Not sure what to do next? Click here to check out the next video on how to install your eSIM.